How to make ginger water to treat migraines, heartburn, joint and muscle pain. Ginger is definitely the most common used dietary condiment in the entire world. Its medicinal properties have been known for a long time. This super healthy ingredient is a great source of potassium and manganese, essential elements that can maintain the proper function of your heart. Manganese keeps your heart safe and prevents numerous diseases. Ginger is also packed with silicon, which has the ability to protect the skin, nails, hair, and teeth. What is more, ginger has a rich content of vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, iron, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, sodium, and beta-carotene. In addition, ginger contains gingerols, elements that have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can effectively treat joint pain, nerve, and muscle pain, and can prevent migraine headaches. Bear in mind that you can obtain its maximum benefits only if you use ginger on a daily basis. The Journal of Natural Products published a study which showed that ginger extract and gingerols derivates can effectively stop the swelling of the joints. According to another study, ginger can heal rats that had neuropathic pain. How to prepare this remedy? Needed ingredients: half a lemon, 3 glasses of water, 1 to 2 centimeters of fresh ginger, raw honey. Directions: peel the ginger and mix it with water. Add the squeezed juice of the lemon and mix once again. In the end, add the honey and strain the liquid well. You should consume this remedy every day for the whole day. Note: if you are taking medical prescriptions, make sure to consult your physician before taking this remedy. Bear in mind that ginger can interact with some medical prescriptions, especially with medicines for high blood pressure.